Si Joko's daw. Kuya, gawin mo na yung tuna. Ayan. Ito. Ang tuna, you need to get a bowl again.
520.
Okay.
You're good in cutting, kuya.
Uy, baka mapasok ka dito. Alright, the eggs na.
Oh! Now waste any of these
Ito na.
Okay, that's it.
Next, we bring out the rice. Ayan na, tapos si Kuya ko.
Apple cider.
Ayan.
hungry kids.
Ryan,
Smile.
and then we need I feel like I will be somebody. Gano'ng karaming salt? You can make it. This is not glamorous rice. Make it sticky.
I'm gonna get rice. Can I get rice?
Yeah, now you can start. Okay, one at a time. And then somebody can also weigh the sushi. Oh, the sushi is I have a shaper. I'll show you how you
It's not that hot for me. Oh wait, I.
and then fold it like this.
Give the rice to kuya.
Lagyan mo ng tuna, Ben. Yan. And then after that, ayan. Eddie, asan ka?
Wait, I have to put salt in my hand.
Tapos lagyan mo rin ng rice. Ayan. After mo yan, fold. Ayan. Dami, Ben. Dami na.
Okay, that's cool. Okay.
Okay, next. Okay, go. Come here.
I need more.
Ayan, sa'yo yan ah. Tandaan mo.
There's some rice sticking on it. I wanna eat it.
Oo, ada ganito.